In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in a Google Sheets cell. If you've ever added a picture to Sheets and had it float over the grid, you know it can shift around when you sort or filter. An in-cell image stays attached to its cell, which makes your data cleaner and more reliable. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Click the cell where you want your image to live so Sheets knows exactly where to place it. Next, look to the toolbar at the top and open the Insert menu. Hover over Image and then choose Insert Image in Cell. This is different from the Over Cells option, which places a free-floating picture on top of the grid. A panel will appear that lets you choose where the picture content comes from. You can upload from your computer, grab something from Drive or Photos, paste a URL, or even use your camera. Pick the source that fits your situation, select the image you want, and confirm. In just a moment, the image will be placed inside the selected cell. Sheets automatically scales in-cell images to fit while keeping the original aspect ratio. If it looks cramped, widen the column or increase the row height until it's right. You can copy or cut the cell to move the image and remove it anytime by clearing the cell. If you plan to sort or filter, in-cell images move with their rows. Here are a few quick tips. For consistent layouts, set a standard row height and column width before inserting multiple images. If you're working with icons or logos, use transparent PNGs so they look crisp against any background color. And if you need a picture you can resize freely or layer over charts, the Overcells option is available from the same menu. That's all it takes to insert an image directly into a Google Sheets cell. Open the sheet, use Insert, Image, choose Insert Image in Cell, pick your source, and confirm. With this approach, your visuals stay neat, aligned, and connected to the data they represent. Thanks for watching.